Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the WLAN or Wi-Fi card in your Dell Latitude E7240. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. There's one little latch here that allows the battery to be released. Now there's one screw on each side of the bottom cover. Once you remove them both, you can slide it right off. And now that everything's exposed, you can remove the Wi-Fi card. There's one screw holding the actual card down and two connectors that also need to be removed, one black and one white. This card is perfectly fine, so I'll put that right back into place. And that's it. You want to reassemble in the opposite order that we disassembled. Card, connectors, and then bottom cover. And we're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.